Welcome to my channel, friends. Hey, I want you to grab yourself a cup of coffee and take about 10 minutes or so and check out this video coming up. Hope you like
I
it.
got asked some questions on this fan of mine I've got in my RV. Now, I want to try to answer those questions, and I'm going to throw this video on here right now. So he asked me about the lid. Now, it was raining, so I don't even know if I'll be able to get this going or not. Let's see if we can turn on the fan. 40%. The fan is on. The lid is, it says it's up. It is not up. So let's, there she goes up. It may shut it down, but that's what he was asking me. So what we're going to do is going to let that go all the way up, and then we're going to see if okay, she's up, she's running. Let's see if we can go with increase the speed, or that's decrease it. That seemed to be working. It's got the, I ain't going to turn that raining thing on because it's drizzly out there and it may shut her down. So I'm going to just shut it down manually. We're going to turn the fan off. No, we're going to shut the lid. There we go. Lid's shutting. See if the fan shuts off. And that says the lid's going down. It's got an arrow pointing down. So it's just showing that the lid is doing things. The lid looks like it's always open, but it isn't. Now then, the fan did not go off. And that was one of the things he was asking. So now then, let's, I'm going to lift this fan back, the lid back up. You see the little arrow, it's pointing down. Now it's pointing up and saying up. I'm going to hit the rain sensor on the thing. Once she gets up, that's that button right there. Rain sensor, I guess the rain sensor is on already. It's not raining enough to get her wet. But that's not a good thing when that fan, like if the rain hit it and went down. I think I tested that. I've never had it in the rain. I'm just going to say it don't go off, which was a disappointment to me when I first done this. Let's turn that rain sensor. There, the rain sensor's on. There, it's off. Rain sensor is on. It ain't raining enough, I guess, out there to do anything. And you got your in and out. And I'm going to stop the fan. I got it coming in, and I hit it on out, and now it's taking the air out. You don't want to shift gears with the fan running. Go ahead and stop it first. I know that much. Okay, now we got it. There we go. Running out, pulling the air out. Speed 30%. Let's try closing it again. Let's just hit the power button and see what happens this time. That turns off this whole thing and it's going closed. I know it shut itself off one time somehow. You also can do all this with the controls up there. Nope, it's still running. Nope, it's off. Okay, so if you hit the power button on this, let's power it back up. If you hit the power button on your remote control, the lid shuts and it turns the fan off. Hope this helps you guys out. Yeah, like I said, I read all your comments, and if you have a question, I'll do my best to answer them. So, and I'll tell you what, it's early in the morning, and I ain't even going to show you what I look like. You all have a great day. Hope this helps out some of you guys. I know it'll help out one of you. See y'all later. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Maybe even drop me a comment. I do read all the comments you put on here. It will help my channel greatly.